Get ready to be amazed because this thsi might just most satisfying is officially taking over the internet. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it solves an annoying problem. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly worth every single penny for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before the price goes back up. Get ready to be amazed because this